Hey Ben, today we're counting rhythm charts 7, eighth notes, and eighth rests. Well, we're going to begin with line 1, and as you scan through, you can see that there are no eighth rests on this line. It is just quarter notes and eighth notes. So everything here is pretty straightforward. Notice that we are counting in common time, 4/4. We have 2 sets of 4 eighth notes that are being together. So this is count 1 and 2, and this is count 3 and 4. And so this will be beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, and beat 4. So our foot is going down, up, 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, 4 tay. Measure 2, I have a quarter note on count 1. Everything else is going to be eighth notes. Measure 3, I have eighth notes on count 1. Quarter note on count 2, and the rest of the measure is eighth notes. Measure 4, I have eighth notes on counts 1 and 2, quarter on count 3, and then more eighth notes on count 4. All right, here we go. Sit tall. Down, up, count and clap. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, 4 tay, 1, 2 tay, 3 tay, 4 tay, 1 tay, 2 tay, 4 tay, 1 tay, 2 tay, 3, 4 tay. We're moving down to measure 13. And at the beginning of measure 13, I have a dotted half note. We haven't seen that in a little while, so remember that is 3 beats, 6 pulses, 1. And so that means that this group of eighth notes will be on count 4. Measure 14, I have a group of 2 eighth notes. So this is count 1, and then another dotted half note. So this is 3 beats. Count 1 is taken up with the eighth note. So this is going to be beat 3, 4, 2, 3, and 4 for my dotted half note. Measure 15, I have beat 1, beat 2, beat 3 are all eighth notes, and then count 4 will be silent. Measure 16, beat 1, beat 2, rest on count 3, and beat 4 is eighth notes. Here we go, beginning. Down, up, ready and count. 1, 4 tay, 1 tay, 2, 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, 1 tay, 2 tay, 4 tay. Since it's the first time we've done that way, you're probably going to want to go back and do that line a few more times before you go to the next one. Now let's move down to line 20 to measure 25. And here, for the first time, we see our eighth rest. Now, with some of our classes, one of the things I like to do with the eighth rest is just tap your leg when you get to that eighth rest. It will help you kind of keep track of the beat. So you can't see my leg in this video, so I'm just going to tap my shoulder. So this is straight eighth notes, except for this eighth rest right there on the downbeat of 4. So you could count this way. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, tay. So I'm keeping track of that beat, but do it on your leg so you don't have to move as far as I did there. Let me do that again. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3 tay, tay. So just that little tap will help me to feel the pulse that's still moving there. Okay, here is measure 26. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3. And then you have an eighth rest right there on the tay of count 3. So just a little bit of silence, and then we'll go to 4 tay. So this measure would sound like this. 1 tay, 2 tay, 3, 4 tay. Measure 27, that eighth rest is on the downbeat of count 3. So here it was on the upbeat of count 3. Now it's on the down of 3. How do I know? Because it's 1 tay, 2 tay, and there's count 3. And then tay, 4 tay are going to speak. Here's measure 27. 1 tay, 2 tay, forte. Let's do that again. Ready and go. 1 te, 2 te, forte. Measure 28. My eighth rest is on the te. It's on the upbeat of count 2. So here's count 1. And these two are count 2. So I'm going to let count 2, the downbeat, speak. And then the upbeat will be the silent one. So measure 28 is like this. 1 te, 2, 3 te, 4 te. Do that again and set and go. 1 te, 2, 3 te, 4 te. So let's go beginning of this line. Sit tall, down, up, count and clap. 1 te, 2 te, 3 te, 1 te, 2 te, 3, 4 te, 1 te, 2 te, 4 te, 1 te, 2, 3 te, 4 te. Go back and do that as many times as you need to get the hang of counting with the eighth rest. Please don't go on to the next line and to the next chart until you feel more comfortable with counting with eighth notes and eighth rest. We'll see you next time.